Sorry about that. Take two. We had some technical difficulties. So welcome back to Craft With Us Live. I'm Cassandra, the museum educator here at the Transcona Museum this summer. It's cooking week and we're going to be making chocolate slime. So we're going to turn the camera around and hope for no more technical issues. Alright, so what you're going to need is a 1/4 cup of chocolate instant pudding mix, a cup of cornstarch separated into half cups, and 1/3 of a cup of really warm water. So I already put the 1/4 cup of pudding mix and the half cup of cornstarch together, and you just mix that, trying to get all the lumps out, because once you add the water, it's going to be harder to dissolve the lumps. And technically this is slime you can eat, but I wouldn't recommend eating a lot of it. Alright, so once you have that mixed well, you're gonna add your 1/3 of a cup of really, really warm water and stir it as you're pouring. So basically you're going to stir until you can't use the fork or the whisk anymore. This is already pretty hard. All right. And then once you can't use the whisk anymore, then, or the fork in my case, then you add the rest of the half cup of cornstarch, and then you'll knead it with your hands. Yes, your hands have to get a little bit messy for this one. So, probably a good idea to add it little by little. And what you're looking for is a Play-Doh-like consistency. Well, something between a Play-Doh and a slime. I'm gonna take this out of the bowl to make it a little bit easier to mix. And you keep adding cornstarch to it a little bit at a time until you've got that Play-Doh-like consistency. So basically you're gonna mix in all the cornstarch until it's not sticking to your hands anymore when you knead it. You may not need the full cup to do this. And the warmer your water is, the easier it'll be to do the first bit where you're mixing the water in with the chocolate pudding mix and cornstarch. So it's still a little bit sticky, but it's getting there. So you're looking for it where you can easily pull it apart. So it's still a little bit sticky, but we're getting there. There we go, that's getting closer. So you can kind of see where it's sticking to my hand still, but it's now at a point where if you pull it apart, it gives you that teardrop shape. So it always helps to have a little bit of cornstarch on the table, because then it's not sticking to your table and you don't end up with these little bits. All right, there you go. So you're looking for this Play-Doh-like consistency where it's moldable and it holds its shape, but it's not super stiff. It's still a little bit like slime, so it's still pulley. And there you have it. And yes, you can eat this stuff again. I wouldn't recommend eating a lot of it. Having that much cornstarch isn't the best for you, but you can definitely taste it. Don't forget, next week is camping week, and we're going to be making a mini camping set and toilet paper roll binoculars. I'm not going to show you guys instructions, or I'm not going to show you guys examples because my hands are all cornstarchy, but the promo video will be going up on YouTube and social media on Monday at 2, and then the Wednesday video will get posted on YouTube and Instagram TV at 2, and then we'll see you guys again for the live next week. All right, have a good long weekend. See you guys next week.